Hi friends, this is Sanvi and today we will learn how to make a place value chart. So let us begin. To make a place value chart, first we need a chart paper like this. It should be big, and we need to make a number line like these. So we need to use papers like these. I have used 9 papers because I have made till 10 crores. And after that I will take some craft papers like these, or you can use like these also to make some triangles like these, on which you have to write 10 crores, 10 lakh, 10,000, hundred, tens, ones. Okay, for writing this we need these all triangle papers, colorful papers. After that we need some square boxes like these, and after that we'll cut with a cutter. And I have made this project for my school project, and we'll just cut it from the cutter. After that we have to put our number line in this, that our place value chart can be ready. Okay, bye bye, meet you in next video. Bye bye.